Here we go again. They're live now. And we're live. Are we switched to this camera right now?
Yes.
So I guess we're live on Facebook. And good morning. Thanks for hanging out. We're at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. Sir, if you would introduce yourself.
I'm Charles. I'm the maintenance manager.
Hey, Charles, what does that entail? What do you do as the maintenance manager here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom?
Oh,
It's very snug. In all the right places.
I got one of the coolest jobs on the planet. We get to maintain the rides, and then when we get to every year, we get to build the rides and design the rides and help out with all that stuff. So it's a very detail-oriented yet fun job.
This ride, Batman, has been in operation for only minutes now. How exciting is that?
Very exciting. It's the culmination of 7 years of work. We started with Superman, and now we're here completing the DC universe. So it's really exciting to be here today to ride this ride with you.
I no stranger to riding with you, sir. It's an honor and a pleasure to be here. We got to open up Batman the ride just now, moments ago, on live television on ABC 10. We did Wonder Woman. We were the first to ride Superman, and now we're going to do this for the first time ever on our Facebook Live. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready when you guys are ready. All right, here we go. This is my second time. I got to be honest with you. It's not what I thought it was going to be.
Yeah,
it's exciting in ways I wasn't expecting.
Right, and it's going to be different every time depending on what seat and even what side of the vehicle you're sitting on.
Oh, okay. All right. So here we go. Hey, Kimberly Morgan, your girls are going to be here tomorrow. Make sure they don't eat too much before they happen to be on the ride. I just powered 2 donuts, and already my stomach's starting to feel just a little bit uneasy. How are you doing?
I'm doing great.
Did you have a good breakfast this morning?
I had 1 donut down at the table.
Okay, because
And a boatload of coffee.
I may not have to ask. You may be showing me what you had for breakfast in just a moment.
There's 1. There's 2.
Barry Fott, are you watching right now? Are you seeing this? That's 3 inversions.
Free fall.
Whoa! What was that? It didn't do it last time.
There's 5.
It didn't do that. It did not do that last time.
And it
That
is
was
a break.
totally different. Okay. Oh my God, you were kidding. Here I am trying to be a smartass. You're not kidding. It is unique every time.
Every single time.
I thought for a moment I was going to pass out. I was not ready for that last inversion.
Yep.
I've ridden with the Blue Angels before, and I didn't experience quite the disturbing G I just had there. That was awesome. Let's do it again. We're doing it again. No, we can't do it again right now. For VIP members, it opens tonight at midnight. Is that right?
That's right. For our folks who hold memberships here at the park, they'll be the first to get a taste of the Batman the Ride.
Yeah, so that's at midnight tonight. Tomorrow, any limited rides?
I believe so. First thing in the morning, and then we'll rock and roll all the way through the weekend.
Yeah, so there you go. So this Memorial Weekend, be one of the first on the planet, make history by riding Batman here at Six Flags Discovery Kingdom. Hey man, an honor riding a ride with you again, getting to experience it with the man. All right, are you geeked out?
I am. Super geeked out.
Kind of hoping they're gonna let us ride it again. Hey, by the way, we're gonna park the raw video of what it's like to ride this ride on our Facebook page, so be sure and watch it again and again and again and again and again and again. I'd love to answer your comments if you want a description of what it's really like or what's going on in between me trying to talk about it on television. I'll give you the for real. No, that's okay. That's okay. I don't want to be greedy. I do want to go again, but I can't. Have an awesome weekend. Happy Memorial Weekend.